Let's start with setting up easy and simple smart bidet installation from VOVO. First, check the parts inside of the box. Simply remove the toilet cover which originally installed. Close the valve which supplies water to the toilet. Flush water before separating hose from the toilet. Disconnect the hose from the toilet. Connect the toilet and T-valve. Connect the T-valve and hose. Put the catch plate to install the toilet and bidet, and then put bracket insert and bolt insert nuts. Fix the gasket, washer, nut insert to secure both toilet and plate completely. Fix the other side as well. Assemble the catch plate and catch plate at the bottom of catch plate and bidet. Then, it will be like this if you see on the side. Connect T-valve and the bidet hose. And then connect the bidet hose to the bidet body part. We are almost there. Insert the battery inside the remote control. Peel off the double-sided tape sticker on the back of the remote. And stick it wherever you want. Remote control is easy to be hold on and off. Open the valve to supply water to the bidet. Make sure each hose part is assembled well. And plug in the power code. Then the sensor on the bidet will turn on. Shall we use VOVO Smart Bidet?